The third citywide proposal is ballot issue 2C, Health and Human Services Infrastructure and Facilities Bond. It deals with a new family health center and expansion of a child advocacy center. It asks if voters should approve a bond to be used for repairs and improvements to health and human services infrastructure and facilities. Without imposing any new tax, the city's debt would be increased $30 million, with a maximum repayment cost of $57 million. The proposal includes building a new Denver Health West Side Family Health Center to provide affordable medical services and increase availability of care, and building an expansion to the Denver Children's Advocacy Center to provide victim assistance, treatment, trauma, and mental health care. A yes vote for any of these ballot measures, 2A through 2E, would mean an existing mill levy that voters have previously authorized for paying back bonds would be extended and the proposed projects would move forward. A no vote for any of these 5 ballot measures would mean the city would continue to use the existing mill levy to pay down current bonds faster, and the proposed projects would not move forward. Here are the pros and cons for ballot issues 2A through 2E.
Those in favor of ballot issues 2A through 2E say, by funding local high-impact projects now, we can foster equity, strengthen the vibrancy and economic resilience of our city, and avoid higher costs for critical infrastructure down the road. With the current economic challenges, it is important to invest in projects that drive local job creation and economic opportunity. Bonds allow the city to make these investments without impacting daily services or using any of the city's regular funding, the general fund. Strategic capital investments through this bond are part of a long-term strategy to invest and improve neighborhoods across Denver, from better and safer streets to quality parks and playgrounds closer to residents. These bond issues promise 10,000 jobs and $2 billion in economic impact.
Those opposed to ballot issues 2A through 2E say it takes twice as much valuable money, whatever it is that we want for our city, when we use debt. When we use debt, we end up with a lot less for the city as we give our money to the bank. We will give somewhere between $500 million and $900 million to the banks for debt service if the voters approve this new debt. As we give large amounts of money to the banks for debt service, we leave the city with less money for actual service. Government debt doubles financial overhead and drains our budget. Most financial overhead is a waste of valuable money. Public cost breakdowns for many of the 59 proposed projects in the bond have not been provided. Taxpayers should not be asked to authorize nearly $1 billion in new debt without seeing the documentation that supports it.
To see more pros and cons, please refer to your ballot issue notice sent to all households with a registered voter.